In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can add watermark in Google Docs. So let's get started, okay? So open your Google Docs, okay? Have this one from here and then simply look at the ribbon at the top and you can find the insert tab, click on that. And then here, we just need to simply scroll down and click on watermark. Now this window will appear. You have for image or text. If you want to go with image, you can simply click on the select image option from here and browse for the files to where you have saved your image. Now you can go with text, okay? And simply type your text in here, like let's say for example. Okay, and you have here for the formatting, it's up to you. You could have any of the font style from here, and then increase the font size, and then you could have it bold like that. And you have here for the transparency like that. And then you have here for behind text or in front of text, up to you. Now simply click on done. And that's it. You have now the watermark on your Google Docs. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.